In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on FXPesa. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to, of course, go into your portal on FXPesa. You want to go to your dashboard, and then you want to create an account. So either a live account or a demo account by clicking this Create Account button, going through the process and creating your trading account. When you do this, you'll see a list of your accounts. As you can see, I have two accounts here, one MetaTrader 5 and one MetaTrader 4. So, of course, those are the two platforms you're going to be trading on. If you already have them on desktop, you could use those, or if you don't, click on the platform to the left over here. You can download MT4 or MT5, and if you want separate tutorials on how to actually connect FXPesa to either MT4 or MT5, I do have those on my channel as well, so make sure you go watch those. But if you just want to get traded quickly, you can go ahead and use the web platform here, either MT4 or MT5. Now, of course, you could go for the copy trader if you want to. I'm not going to in this tutorial. I'm just going to use the MT4 web trader. So click on launch MT4 web trader, or this one, whichever you want to use. And it's going to take you into the portal over here. There we go, where you will then have to sign in to your MT4 account. So for me, the login is going to be the account ID inside my email, which I received upon the creation of my account. The password is also in there, which I'm going to save. And then my server is the demo one because I do have a demo account. And then you press OK. And just like that, you will sign in over here inside your MetaTrader, and this is where you can then go ahead and start trading. Okay, so here you could create new charts, you could go ahead and create new orders by clicking this plus button. You could then go ahead and buy or sell by market, set in the symbol, the volume, stop losses, take profits, order types, etc. So there's a bunch of things you could do in here and just trade it that way. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.